contractors are taking their things for now at this stage, because we still have a long way to go, but now this is what we have so far. So let's look at what's going on. So it rained yesterday, so the ground is a bit mushy. Yeah, it's a bit messy. I think my shoe is going to get very messy. Or what do you think? I'll wash it when I get home. Eh? No, but you two have to be here. Don't worry. We'll wash it when I get home. Okay. Doesn't that block seem out of... that particular block? This one. No, it looks as if it's not set properly. Yeah. Well, it's not load bearing, so. This is this. Who was the lady who wanted to buy a new shed? I think it was somebody there.
This is bearing the load of the other ones.
I hope they don't mind me walking like this. Sorry. Okay. What I want to go and look at the shed. Yeah. Next time I'll come with boots like you. So that other group probably will come and clear all these things. So, Tim, that means the shed is staying. So, if we have to store something, just come in as well, instead of pulling it down. It's wood, isn't it? Wow. So he doesn't really use it.
Barbell?
Wow. What are we going to do? He still has some things. He might need some things.
I've done shed clearing before.
Huh?
You've done shed clearing before.
Yeah. This is not our first rodeo.
No, you know how we cleared the one?
Yeah, the lady at the other place. So what are we going to do? Call the township? That's how we did the other one, wasn't it? Yeah. We told the township to come and pick it. Yeah. Or we could do... I don't think we should... Yeah, he might want to take some things.
Let's wait till the...
Yeah. Yeah, but the ground... What do you think? Think it's leaking?
Probably.
okay, we won't throw anything away. So what can one do to the ground? Put a new layer on top? Because even if we clear out everything, this ground is wet. You think it's leaking? Yeah, I thought it was empty.
I wish we could catch the siding guys.
Yeah, to do it properly. Oh, they definitely will do it.
Will?
They have to.
No, you have to tell them.
Because they've not finished. Those are big things, isn't it?
You're right.
This way? Better. You can tell Brabumi to come and fix it. Have you? Or what do you think?
So you want to get rid of this fence, right?
Yeah, we have to. Because there'll be a new fence. What do you think? I was thinking of privacy when you
I was
have
thinking of white vinyl.
8 neighbors.
I was thinking of white vinyl fence.
Like the one behind our house. You think white will not be... I was thinking maybe brown. Because the house is... Eh?
At that point, just do wood. Wood is cheaper.
But wood decays.
You have to stain it. You use staining acrylic.
Maybe the rain gotten through those things.
Well, they have the
Shutter.
not shutter, slanted vents, I guess.
Yeah. So just tell Everlasting Fence to do it straight. So he said when they come back they'll do the ground. Those are the guys. Oh, that's his own guys. Maybe we should go and ask him about that too. Yeah. Looks like they added more concrete. See, concrete. That wasn't there before. No, not the bricks. The mortar. Yes. So you see, it's filling up. Yeah, like all that wasn't there before. All this wasn't there before. what they're doing. They must know what they're doing. What did I want to say? Okay, we wanted to talk about the siding people. Cross over here. Before I fall and land on my... Because it can be slippery. Where's Nick? Where's Nick? Is that him?
Right there.
Oh, it's looking different to me.
Guess I left that one. I didn't touch that one.
The guys on the siding, are they still coming back?
Yeah, they have one.
Yeah, because the back is still
And
open.
on the front too, they have
Okay.
one.
And then, see, it's not neat.
Yeah.
They're still going to touch
Yeah,
it
bring,
up.
bring it up to Scott.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You didn't employ them?
No.
Oh, I thought you...
No. Yeah, they're not my guys, I promise.
Okay.
If they're my guys, I'd be furious.
Yeah.
Because that'd be done.
Because already you can see an opening. That's where wind,
Yeah.
water, and everything will get in.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Bringing that up to Scott.
Okay.
It's their guys. And they're not my guys. I don't have any control over them.
Oh,
Those guys. Just these goofballs. They're with me.
And where is he, Gavin? Or...
Gavin's gone.
Oh, he doesn't work with you.
No, he went to go play at the golf course.
He's a rich guy.
He's a normal young kid is what he is.
Okay.
He thinks this is hard work and he wants to go play on the golf course.
Okay, I was telling my son, I said, oh, there's a guy, Gavin. Okay, he's not with you.
He's a goofball too, but yeah, he's gone.
Okay.
He didn't want to do this work anymore, I guess.
Yeah, it's hard work. Yeah, when you see what you've done.
You know, this place was wooded, overgrown, nasty, you know.
The person who sold the land to me said it would be good as a vegetable garden.
Yeah, well,
That's what she saw.
I mean, she's not wrong.
But I didn't
We'll
say
make it work,
you
but-
know?
I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
it would be one big garden.
Yeah, she said because that was what she saw. Because it was all big heads,
It'd take a
trees.
lot of work to keep that garden up.
Yeah, she said, because I think a brother willed it to her and her brother, and they didn't know what to do with it. And I just saw it and said, oh, this is a nice place.
It's quiet here. I mean, you know, it's in town, like in the city, like.
It's in
but
the city, but just these
it's
few
wild.
houses. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and it's really, it doesn't look it, but they're upper middle class.
Right.
So their houses are expensive, even though they look like, yeah, 300. There's one behind there, 900,000.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Is that what you plan to do? Sell it? Or you gonna
No, I'm not selling. I hope I don't have to sell.
Yeah. You're gonna rent it out, or you gonna live here?
No, not live here, but like, because rent it,
I'm telling her to rent
office.
it, but she wants to like.
I want it to be
Explore
my,
different,
I want it to
business.
be my office.
Oh yeah.
You know? Then you could rent out some rooms, but then when I need it, but once you start renting, you can't use it again because the tenants won't want to leave.
What do you need an office? What do you do for the office? You see. It's a lot of work for that.
Yeah, but no. I can still, have coaching, like coach
Yeah,
people,
okay.
real estate, health coach. They come here, they have
Okay.
programs. Then people come, yeah, Airbnb,
Yeah.
midterm, but I don't want it to be full rental.
Granted, right.
Yeah, because then how do you get the person out when the person likes the place?
Yeah.
No,
well, that's good. That's interesting.
yeah.
Okay.
But I just wanted to, and I told them, I said it's going to be theirs by the grace of God. So, yeah, children, this is yours.
How many kids do you have? Just this one? Two kids?
Yeah. So, we'll see. I hope I don't sell because
Yeah.
it's such a. I fell in love with the place.
Right. Yeah.
Because it's close to everything.
It is.
Banks, fast food, slow food,
Yeah.
grocery store, mall, everything.
It is close.
Close to 476.
Right.
It's close to everywhere. I like it. I really like it.
What's the name of your YouTube channel? What's the name?
The one I'm using for this one, although now I want to, because, okay, let's end this. Okay, bye everybody.